you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's STYLEVANA collaboration. Do you want to know what products are going to be inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so STYLEVANA's collab for September just arrived. I'm so excited to get this open so we can see what products that they sent so you guys can see them. This box was sent to me for review, so thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have been following me for some time, you would know STYLEVANA is becoming a huge favorite of mine. They have the best skincare products when it comes to K-beauty and J-beauty. They have so much stuff available. I do have my own code if you are interested. It is INF10 SheCrafty. Depending on how much is accumulated in your cart, that'll take anywhere from 10 to 15% off your order. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in the September collab, and then I can start testing out the products for you guys. I'm so excited. So everything comes, of course, wrapped and packaged so well. They definitely do an amazing job wrapping everything. So let's get inside of this and see which products we have. I'm so excited. So the first thing right here, it says AHA BHA Refreshing Solution. And what are you? Suggested usage. Gently swipe across the cleansed face, avoiding the eye area with a cotton pad or hands, and gently press until fully absorbed. Do not rinse. For daytime use, follow with a broad spectrum sunscreen at 30 or higher. Okay, so that seems interesting. It says smooth and refreshed skin. I love any type of skincare, so I'm all for it. Ooh, and that's what it looks like right there. So it looks like it would be kind of like a toner. Fragrance free. And yeah, it says this refreshing toner with the combination of both AHA galactic acid and BHA lactic acid is a gentle, effective exfoliating solution for a healthy and smooth complexion. So yes, that is a toner right there. So there's number one. Let's go with number two. It says Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. Formulated with 92% snail secretion. I just hate that word. Like, that just sounds so gross to me. Snail secretion. But it is in a lot of skincare products, and I'm trying to get over the fact that it says snail secretion when I use it. The last snail products that I received from them, I don't know if you remember, but in the video of me like playing it on the side of me using the product, it was so like slimy and just like it was more of a slimier texture, and I'm like thinking of just snails walking on my face. Like, I had to get over the snail part to be like, okay, this is a good moisturizer. So this one right here says directions. Apply to face at least twice daily or as needed to soothe dry, uncomfortable skin. Alrighty then. Snail stuff must be very good for our face because, again, it's in a whole lot of skincare. It's even in face masks and stuff. So there we go. We have Advanced Snail 92. That is what it looks like out of the box. And let's see what it looks like in the package. And yeah, see, it always just looks so slimy. Like, snail secretion products just look so slimy and gooey and just, oh, so yummy. Oh, so yummy. Can't wait to try that out. But again, after the after effect, once I get over the fact that there's snail situation in there, it literally does make my face feel so moisturized and just, it just feels really good. So they obviously know what they're doing with the snail secretion because it feels good afterwards. So this product says Keep Cool and Soothe Lotion, 51% bamboo lotion, moisturizing and calming. It's 150 ml. And let's get this opened. Ooh, that's cool how it opened in the package like that. And the inside is super, super pretty. I love all of those colors on the inside of the box. The outside is really pretty too, but Here's what it looks like. Really cute packaging, and it just says keep cool and soothe lotion. On this one, it says how to use. After applying toner, apply this lotion on the face and dry areas and gently massage. So I cannot wait to use that, especially if it's like a face lotion. After toning, just put this bad boy, just lather it on my face. Ooh, it's gonna feel so good. Now we have, it says E-Nature Squeeze Green Watery Gel Cream. Ooh, I love a good watery cream because it just feels so good on my face. This one says Hydrator Encapsulated Facial Cream Moisturizing plus Refining with Kale, Parsley, and CHLOROPHYLL. I'm not sure what that word is, for all skin types. And it says how to use. Take an appropriate amount onto the palm of your hands and apply gently on the face. Pat lightly to increase absorption. So this is probably going to be after cleansing and toning. Apply this to your face. Ooh, so it does give you a little scooper outer, so you're not just digging your fingers in there. I always do after the shower, so my hands are clean, so I don't mind digging in my own package. But I know I've had people say before, you didn't even use the applicator. Well, my hands are clean. It's not like they're dirty. Ooh, whoa, that is not the consistency that I was expecting. It's like, looks kind of chunky. It is definitely like watery based because it's like slippery, but it's kind of like a chunky consistency. Ooh, get you chunkiness back in there. It has a slight fragrance. Ooh, that's going to feel amazing on my face. Okay, so I cannot wait to test that out. But it does have the little scooper outer if you like to use it. Or you can just dip it in your finger if you're the only one using it, you know, and your hands are clean. Go for it. Dip it on in there. So there's that guy. Now we have this, and ooh, I've received this one. There was 2 different ones that they had sent me, and I have been using this one, I don't even know for how long now. And I really do enjoy this because the way that the bottle sits, so like when I get out of the shower and I'm done cleansing and then I tone, then this is like so easy because I just remove the top and I just squirt around my face, down my nose, blend it in, and I'm done. Like I don't even have to touch it. I don't have to dig anything out. I just like squirt it directly onto my face, and I really like that. This one's for extra moisture. The other one I believe was a green or a pink top, and it was for something else. I think it was more like calming for your skin. But the PREM, that brand, I really, really do enjoy this. So I'm so glad to see this again in here. So yes, this I really, really, really do enjoy. And it says Comfort Me. And again, you just put it on your face. It says after using a toner, apply an appropriate amount onto your face. Very, very simple and so easy to use because I do like the way that it's packaged and the way that I just squirt it on. So now we have, it says Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. And this is Beauty of Joseon. I'm not sure how to say that, but again, it's that brand right there. That's their logo. I actually really enjoy this brand, so I'm so glad to see another product here. And this says that it's an Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. This is an exfoliator with a very soft texture, containing 19% pumice flower water and 8% plant-delivered cellulose. It gently exfoliates dead skin cells and skin waste. Use it 1 to 2 times a week, depending on skin conditions. So very, very simple. And it says an apricot blossom. Let me see if it smells like apricot because, ooh, if it does, that's even a plus. Let's see. Let me try to get a little bit out. I'm not smelling too much apricot, but it definitely does have the stuff in it, like the gradules. It does look like that. So now we have, it says My Signature Vita Red Sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++ UV Protector. And especially right now in this summer, we're summer here pretty much until like, I don't know, December. January. So sunscreen is year-round a good thing for me here in Florida, and it's a very good thing to protect our skin from the UV rays for sure. That is a really nice size right there. This would be good to drop in your car, your purse, your beach bag, your lake bag, your golf bag, your gym bag, whatever bag you want, or just to leave it in your car if you're ever out in the sun and you need to protect your skin from the rays. So that's a good size right there. And I love a good sunscreen right there. So I just wanted to update you really quick. This actually has a nice slight scent to it. It feels really good. It feels kind of like I put a moisturizer on. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything like that, and it blended in seamlessly. It did not leave any like white residue that was kind of hard to blend in like normal sunscreen does. This I actually do like. It blended in perfectly, and like I said, it smells and it feels really nice. So it's a good one. Okay, so then the last item, it says All Clean Balm. Clean and Comfortable Beauty Intensive Cleaning Balm. Ooh, I love a good cleansing balm because technically the way that I really do every single day, how I do it is I use a cleansing balm to remove my makeup first, because you need to do that with a dry face. So I do that before I get into the shower while the shower is warming up. Then pretty much with a clean face, I get in the shower. In the shower, I use a cleanser. Out of the shower, when I'm done, I use a toner, and then I follow with my normal skincare regimen, whatever I feel like using for the day. So I do love a good cleansing balm because, again, I use it every single day. So I'm so excited to try this one. I've never seen this brand or used this one, so I'm really excited to test it out. It has extremely cute packaging. I like the little palm trees. I like the colors. The packaging is really pretty. And when you open up the lid, here is a little scooper outer, and then here is the top part, and there is the balm down inside of there. So we're gonna see how good this removes. Ooh, and it literally like melts down very, very quick. And my personal experience with cleansing balms is a little bit goes a long way. So I'll literally just take the top of my finger, scoop out just a hair, warm it up between my fingers, roll it all around my eyes, gets all my mascara and everything off, and then I'm good to go. Because that's pretty much the only makeup that I wear is just like right about here. Right here. I'm going to use this again because when I used it last night, it actually feels so much different than anything else that I've used. Like, it left my face feeling really, really soft. Like, it was just a really different thing. So I'm going to try this again and tell you guys, like, while I'm doing it, like, it just feels like, I don't know, any other balm that I've used, and I'm a fan of too, this kind of tops it. It just feels so soft. When you're doing it, it's just a completely different feel than my other ones. It's just, I don't know, it just feels like it's leaving it more moisturized, but it gets everything off like any other balm that I have used. And it takes everything off. Everything's gone. And it just feels nice and soft. I like this. So that is everything that they sent for the September collab. These are a lot of amazing products. I do really, really like that they sent a cleansing balm this time because, again, that is something that I always use with a cleanser. I got toners, we have face moisturizers, sunscreen. There's so many amazing products here. I cannot wait to start testing these out for you guys. So that is everything that I have to show for the September collaboration with STYLEVANA. Thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me these products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. I absolutely love, again, learning new brands, new products, seeing things that I've seen before or not seen before. It's just an amazing box to receive all these products to see what's in there. So if you want to check out STYLEVANA, again, I have my code INF10 SheCrafty that'll save you some money at checkout. I will link them all down below, but they literally have everything that you can possibly imagine with K-Beauty and J-Beauty. So if you want to check them out, you can search by what type of category, you can search by brand. They have so many different things to offer. So again, I will link them all down below. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that they sent for this month's collab? Have you checked out anything from STYLEVANA? Do you want to? Do you have a cart built up? Let me know all your positive interactions interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.